Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. So children, in this video we are going to recap and when we have to use and when we have to use and. Let's see children. Read words with and before them. So you can see here some words are written when we have to use and when we have to use let's see. Okay children, all consonant sounds begins with a. See here children, B, C, D, F, G, H, these letters are consonant except A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. All vowel sound begins with an. If you see the first letter here, if it is vowel, so we have to write an before that. Okay children, let's see the words. An apple. Why we are using an here? Because A is vowel here. An eagle. A table. Why we are saying a table here? Because T is consonant. A flower, a banana, a book, a chair, an umbrella. Why we are using an here? Because U is vowel here. Okay? A truck, an igloo, an orange, an underwear. See here, you can see more words are here. An owl, an omelette, a tiger. Observe this children. If you see the first letter vowel, we are writing an here. If the first letter is consonant, we are writing a here. A leaf, a pumpkin, a car, a house, an insect, a bed, an ice cream, an octopus, an emu, an arrow, a bird, a whale, a tree. Okay children, these are the words we have learned. Let's do the activity. So ready children? Here you can see some pictures are written over here. So we have to write in this blank whether a will come or an will come. So ready children? What is this? Let's see what are the pictures, then we will write. Dog, tomato, eagle, emu, hand, dice, chameleon, bird. These are the pictures. Let's write a will come or an will come in this blank. The children ready? What is this? It's a dog. Dog starts with letter D. So D is consonant. What we have to write, A or an? Yes, we have to write A. A. The sound of A is A. Next see, tomato. Tomato begins with T. T is the sound of letter T. So T is consonant. Before consonant, what we will write, A or an? We will write A. That is a. A tomato. A dog. Then eagle. Eagle starts with E sound. So E sound is of letter E. Eagle. E is vowel. So we have to write here A or an. An. An eagle. Next is emu. Again emu starts with E. E is vowel. So what we have to write here? A and an. An emu. See the next? Hand. Hand starts with letter H. So H is consonant. Before consonant, what we will write here? A or an? A. So, a hand. Next is dice. See, the beginning sound is D. D is the sound of which letter? Letter D. So, D is consonant. So, before consonant, what we will write? A. A dice. See next, chameleon. Chameleon begins with letter C. So, C is consonant or vowel? It's a consonant. Before consonant, which thing we will use? A or A and an? We will use A. That is a. A chameleon. Next is bird. Bird begins with B sound. B is the sound of which letter? Letter B. So, B is consonant. Before consonant, we will write A. A bird. Children, hope you have understand. A dog, a tomato, an eagle, an emu, a hand, a dice, a chameleon, a bird. See children, if the thing starts with A, E, I, O, U, that are vowels, so we will use an. If the word is starting with any of the letter which is not vowel, that is consonant, so we have to write a. Okay children, hope you have understand. Thank you.